Hi, this is our video submission for the Sudoku project for group number 54. We have worked together to create a playable Sudoku game that meets all of the project requirements. So the first thing that you'll see is our game start screen. You can select either easy, medium, or hard. Once you select a mode, you will be able to see the game in progress screen. In the game in progress screen, you're able to see a reset button, a restart button, and an exit button. So for the reset, for example, if you have filled out some cells, you can go ahead and delete everything you filled out. Or if you have already started the game as well, and you want to change the mode, you can go ahead and restart it and it will take you back to the main screen or the game start screen. For the difference between the modes, for the easier one, most of the cells are going to be pre-filled. Then for the medium one, there's going to be a little bit less of pre-filled cells, and for the hard one, you're going to have to fill out most of the cells. Once you're in the game, you can also just go ahead and exit and it will get rid of this window. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to play the game. So once you select a mode, the gameplay mechanics will allow you to select a cell by clicking on it. For example, you're going to see this one becomes red. Then you can go ahead and enter a number. If you're not sure, you can just go ahead and leave the number as is and keep filling up the cell. When you're sure that it's the number that goes in there, you click on enter and it becomes completely filled out. You can also go ahead and rewrite the number. So for example, I have this 4 and I want to make it a 6. I can just go ahead and do that to get rid of the number that I have placed in there before. The board will update in real time, ensuring an interactive experience. I have filled out the board incorrectly for the purpose of showing you the lose screen. So once I finish filling out this last cell, it's going to tell me that the game is over and that I can go ahead and restart the game if I like. Okay, so this is going to be our lose screen. It says game over, try again. We can go ahead and restart it and select another option. I'm going to go ahead and fill it out correctly now so that you can see the win screen. Okay, so now that this is almost filled out, we can just go ahead and finish here. This is missing a 7 and it should give me a win screen. Alright, so we have the congratulations, you win. Alright, so now that I've demonstrated how the game works, I'm going to go ahead and show all the documentation, the code comments, and just the collaboration that was done on GitHub. Okay, so here we have our repository that's under Tanner, and here we can see the 50 commits that have been done, as well as if we go into one of the files, we can just go ahead and see how documented the code is. For example, here you have all of the comments to explain how what each function is supposed to be doing. All of the variables have clear names, and the comments make the code easier to understand and debug.